In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language settings in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation in another language, checking spelling in your native language, or preparing slides for an international audience. Setting the correct language in PowerPoint is really important. It affects spell check, grammar suggestions, and even how some text is hyphenated or formatted. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure the slide where you want to change the language is visible. You can change the language for specific text, for selected slides, or for the entire presentation. So it's helpful to decide what you want before you start. Now, select the text that you want to change the language for. You can click inside a text box and press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all the text in that box. If you want to apply the language to multiple text boxes or the whole slide, you can select them while holding Shift, or simply select all objects on the slide. With your text selected, look toward the top of the screen and go to the Review tab in the ribbon. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools related to proofing, spelling, and language. In the Review tab, find the section that mentions language or proofing. You should see an option called Language, and under that, an option that says Set Proofing Language. Click that. A dialog box will appear, showing a list of languages that PowerPoint can use for proofing. Scroll through the list and find the language you want. For example, English, Spanish, French, or another supported language. Some languages have regional variations, like English for different countries, so choose the one that best matches your needs. Once you've selected your language, look carefully at the options below. There may be a checkbox that says something like, "Do not check spelling or grammar." Make sure this is unchecked if you want PowerPoint to underline spelling or grammar issues in that language. When you're happy with your selection, click OK. From now on, the selected text will use that language for spell check and proofing. If you'd like to apply the same language to other slides, repeat the selection process on those slides and use the same Set Proofing Language option. If you want your chosen language to be used more often, you can also adjust default language settings in PowerPoint's Options menu, so new presentations start in that language. That way, you won't have to set it manually every time. And that's how you change language settings in PowerPoint.